An expert advisor can stop trading even when its logic is fine. The issue may be somewhere else: the terminal, the account, the chart, the broker's current session, a stale quote, or missing history. Before you rewrite the strategy, it helps to check the environment around it. That is the job of Ninja MT5 Doctor. Ninja MT5 Doctor is a free, read-only MetaTrader 5 utility. It runs in expert advisor format, but it is not a trading EA and not an indicator. It captures one completed snapshot of the terminal, account, open charts, selected history, the current quote, and a symbol on the chart where Doctor is attached. It does not send, modify, or close orders. Installation méthodes. MetaTrader 5 allows only one expert advisor on each chart. Leave the EA you want to inspect on its original chart. Then open a separate, normal chart with no EA attached, and place Doctor there. The second chart can still show candles and indicators. It simply must not already contain an EA. Attaching Doctor directly to the target EA's chart would replace that EA. After Doctor finishes checking, start with Overview. This tab summarizes 15 main environment checks. It covers the broker-server connection, terminal and account permissions, Doctor's own program permission, open charts, trade mode, the published trading session, quote freshness, spread, selected history, reference volume and margin, execution settings, and stop or freeze levels. The purpose is not to say buy or sell. It is to show what the environment looked like at this snapshot. Next, open history. Doctor requests the selected time frames asynchronously and shows whether each one is synchronized, how many bars were copied. Missing or incomplete history can matter to an EA that depends on several time frames. But remember, Doctor's configured history threshold may not be the same as the private requirement inside another EA. The Charts tab lists the charts currently open in the terminal. It shows the chart role, symbol, time frame, and an attached EA name when MetaTrader exposes one. This helps you confirm that the expected chart is still open, but an EA name proves attachment only. It does not prove that the EA's private logic is running correctly. Specs focuses on the symbol of Doctor's own chart. Here you can review broker-published details such as volume limits, execution and filling modes, order capabilities, stops and freeze levels, spread information, and a reference margin calculation. These values are informational. They can change after the snapshot, and a reference margin calculation is not a guarantee that a real order will be accepted. Doctor uses clear overall states. Checking means selected history is still being requested. Ready means the completed snapshot found no warning and no definite environment blocker within Doctor's implemented checks. Warning means at least one condition needs manual confirmation, although trading may still be possible. Blocked means Doctor detected a definite environmental blocker. Ready is not a trading signal, a safety promise, a profit guarantee, or proof of another EA's private logic. Doctor is not a continuous monitor. It creates a snapshot when it starts, and then the completed result stays fixed. After you change algo trading permissions, open or close charts, change the symbol, wait for a session to open, or adjust an input, press run again. That creates a new snapshot from the current environment, so you can compare the result after change. When you need a record, press Save Report. Doctor writes both an HTML report and a CSV file to the local MQL5 files area under the Ninja MT5 Doctor folder. The report contains the snapshot time, symbol, broker server, account currency, checks, selected history, and open chart list. It does not include the account login number, and Doctor does not transmit the report. Just as important is what Doctor does not do. It does not place trades, delete pending orders, alter another EA, change another chart, or change market watch. It does not use DLL imports, web requests, or external data downloads. It cannot inspect another EA's private entry rules, internal state, exceptions, or current entry conditions. And if MetaTrader or the VPS is stopped, software inside that stopped terminal cannot diagnose it. So, when an EA seems inactive, do not assume the strategy is broken. First, separate the strategy from the environment. Keep the target EA on its own chart, run Doctor on a separate chart, review all 4 tabs, and use Run Again after making a change. Ninja MT5 Doctor is available free on MQL 5 Market. Use it as a structured first check, then verify the target EA's own requirements separately.